Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to use Edge panel on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open settings, then tap on display. And from here you will find the option of Edge panels. Now just enable this toggle. After you enable this toggle, you will enable Edge panel on your Samsung phone. Now just tap on Edge panel, and from here just tap on panels. On this screen, you can select what to show in the Edge panel. By default, it is only on apps, and if you only select apps, you will be able to open apps using the Edge panel. But you can select peoples, and it will add your contacts to the Edge panel, and you can select tasks, weather, tools, and clipboard. Now, to use all these features, first of all, just swipe from the side where the Edge panel is enabled. In our case, it is on the right side. And from here, you will be able to open apps from the Edge panel, just like that. And if you want to add apps to the Edge panel, just tap on the pencil icon over here, and you will be able to add apps to the Edge panel, just like that. Now, if you have selected multiple pages in the Edge panel, you can open the second page by swiping to the left side, just like that. Now, if you have enabled weather, it will show you the weather in the Edge panel. And if you have selected tools, it will show you the compass and the ruler. And if you have selected contacts, you will be able to add contacts in the Edge panel. First of all, just tap on allow, then tap on add. Now, if you have contacts on your Samsung phone, just select them from here and you will add your contacts to the Edge panel. So you can access your important contacts easily from the Edge panel. And this is how you can use the Edge panel on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.